everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable search on YouTube Kids. Now, funny enough, search is actually enabled by default in YouTube Kids. But you can further refine your search results within the app using these parental controls. The first one is approved content only feature. Now this feature allows you to pre-select specific channels and videos for your child to access. You can then search within this approved content, giving you more control over what your child finds. The next thing you can use is the search within specific categories, which means your YouTube Kids actually offers you various categories like learning, shows, and music. So you can guide your child to search within these specific categories to narrow down the results. Please note that parental controls are key. YouTube Kids emphasizes parental controls, so please utilize features like approved content only, search history, and watch history to actively monitor and guide your child's viewing experience. By combining these methods, you can effectively manage the search function within YouTube Kids and ensure a safe and appropriate viewing experience for your child. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.